This is News 10 Dallas-Fort Worth. We interrupt this program because of an emergency announcement from the White House regarding ongoing tensions.
Good afternoon, America. I am a representative of the President of the United States. I am speaking on behalf of the U.S., NATO, and other allies affiliated with the United States. These past few years have been unprecedented. However, we have not seen a bigger crisis in the world since the Cold War. International tensions are growing rapidly. Just recently, a big military presence has been spotted near Taiwan and South Korea. All U.S. forces are on standby. Currently, there is no imminent threat to the U.S. However, that may change. That is all I am authorized to say at this time.
This is News 10 Dallas-Fort Worth. We now return to normal programming.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the White House. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems are to transmit this emergency action notification message. Please stand by for a message from a representative of the President.
Good evening, America. I am a representative of the President of the United States. I have been authorized to record and transmit this message over the emergency alert system. The Russian Federation, PRC and DPRK have attacked NATO and other U.S. allies. The DPRK is fighting American and South Korean troops near Seoul, Russian troops near Warsaw, and Chinese troops near Taipei. As such, a nuclear attack against the U.S. is possible. The following cities are being evacuated: Washington, D.C., New York City, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Seattle, Chicago, and Houston. That is all I am authorized to say at this time. God bless America.
We have breaking news. The NATO General Secretary has announced the use of tactical nuclear weapons against Russia and China. NATO also stating that a retaliatory attack is likely. The U.S. EAS will be activating shortly due to this announcement.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the White House. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems are to transmit this emergency action notification message. Please stand by for a message from a representative of the President.
This is a national emergency. A nuclear attack against the United States is imminent. The following cities are being targeted: New York City, Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, San Francisco, and Seattle. Assume blast position immediately. The President is currently being escorted to a safe and secure location. Our missile defense systems have failed. Gather at least 14 days of food, water, and medical supplies for your stay at the shelter. Radiation can kill humans that come into prolonged contact with